Prosecutorial immunity is a judge-made doctrine that cloaks prosecutors in near-absolute immunity from suit. Under this doctrine, prosecutors cannot be sued for any actions related to their job as a prosecutor, no matter how egregious the behavior. For example, prosecutors cannot be sued for knowingly prosecuting an innocent person, withholding evidence of innocence, or even fabricating false evidence of guilt. Despite prosecutorial immunity's fundamental flaw, there is only one carve-out to this otherwise impervious protection. It does not shield prosecutors from being sued for actions that are not related to advocating for the prosecution, such as acting as an investigator or police detective. In other words, the actions of a prosecutor are not absolutely immune merely because they are performed by a prosecutor. However, because the line between prosecutor and investigator can be difficult to identify and judges define prosecutorial conduct very broadly, this exception is rarely applied. And in the very few cases where courts do not grant prosecutorial immunity, prosecutors are afforded the additional protection of qualified immunity. This means that victims who overcome the steep hurdle of prosecutorial immunity must also show that the prosecutor's behavior violated clearly established law before they will receive their day in court.